Installing 1-inch wheel spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating your tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to lift your car. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit wheel spacers on your Toyota Land Cruiser 300 correctly and safely. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jack to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nuts. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because off that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nuts. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser 300 wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. These Toyota Land Cruiser 300 wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser 300 wheel spacers are forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to a specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.